How to set the camera record slow-mo to 1080p HD at 120 fps or 240 fps, or you can set it to 4K at 120 fps. Now here say the front camera will always record slow-mo at 120 fps. And that's it. Now the higher you go in the settings, the more storage space it will take up. So if your device on low storage, you may want to set your recording of slow-mo at a lower resolution. Finally, you can tap on the back key, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And here is the camera, and then from here you can record the slow-mo, and this is slow-mo at 4K. And here is the slow-mo video at 4K slow-mo video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.